Introducing our innovative plastic sleeve box, a versatile and eco-friendly packaging solution. This sleeve pack consists of three main components: the bottom pallet, a foldable sleeve, and a lid. The pallet and lid are manufactured using double-layer blister molding and blow molding techniques, ensuring durability and high performance. Choose our pallet sleeve box for a reliable, reusable, and cost-effective packaging solution. Click the card in the top left corner to watch the production process of our foldable sleeve.